Alright, so you want to run the new Krea-2 Turbo locally, right? Well, there's a massive catch, VRAM. If you grab the standard FP8 version, it's a real VRAM hog. It devours 12.8 gigs of VRAM, meaning you basically need a high-end studio GPU just to get it started. But check this out, if you switch over to the optimized GGUF version, the file size literally collapses. It drops all the way down to just 7.3 gigs. And that is a total game changer. I want to show you a really simple workflow for the Krea-2 Turbo model today. On its own, that wouldn't be anything special, but I use the exact same workflow for a much smaller GGUF model. How? I'll show you in a moment. Let's go through the workflow. I don't think it should be very difficult to recreate this one. First, we take the Krea-2 Turbo model. This goes directly into the K-sampler. The clip encoder goes into the clip text. I kept the prompt extra simple, a island vector art style. Since the CFG scale is set to 1, a negative prompt has no effect. That's why we use the 0 out node. Up there is the VAE node. I think you can see the connections and nodes clearly. On the right, we have the save and preview image nodes. Nothing spectacular so far. Let's test our turbo model and click Run. Here is our first image with the turbo model, a vector island. Up to this point, the workflow wouldn't have been anything special. The cool thing now is that we use the exact same workflow for a smaller GGUF model. Simply establish the connection. From the GGUF model to the K-sampler, everything else stays the same. And click Run again. Here's the image from the GGUF model. It worked without any problems. It's ideal for smaller graphics cards and when you want to generate multiple images. It's simply faster when less memory is being occupied.